So, be a little brighter. Alright, so the first thing we need to read. Their legend. So what I just posted online was a simple square 26 by 26. Alright, with that being said, here, let me do pen. Alright, so I just had to pause it for a little bit because someone literally walks in and then just, I don't know, A through Z. So that carries the 26. So this is A. It's made. A is comprised of 3 lines. All right, that's the point. All right. And then ASCII, see, these are just lines. Technically, you can find them later in the ASCII chart, but this one in particular is 46. That's ASCII. All right. If I translate that to numbers, it's 1, 1, 9, 3, 9, 9. Of importance is right there, but also it's literally telling you, alright, 39, alright, and then that's 1 to 1. So that's technically 3, which loops back to there, and then you got 3 times 3 is that, which is 9. Anyways, so 99 is C. The reason why I did not post, so this is 0 to 24, because X marks the spot. So in technicality, this line and this line can also make that as well. They're the exact same in the base understanding. So then that's a negative sign there. And then from there, I added another. So this is in continuation. So it goes, and I did in reverse, Z to N. And then this final one would be 8. All right, and then it's got 7, 7, 5. And then the next one would be 1, 8. This one would be 5, 7, 7. And then it goes, anyways. And then it goes 5 characters, and then neither here nor there at this point. So altogether, that's 25 plus 13 is 38. Not counting this row, which would make it plus 1, 39. Alright, by 26. Okay? So that's the base understanding of that. 46. Now, technically, when you do majority of fonts, that's a 4. Alright, so with that being said, then there's that. It would be 1, 4. And the 10 by 10 grid, 10 by 10, it would be 1, 4. It's always going to be 1, 4, okay? Because that's add. And this would be 8, 9. And then and then we have 38, so we want 39 on. I go to sub. Oh, yeah, it's sub pi search. Now, this didn't work before, but all right. So the 26. So we look up 26. Well, there's 25, so we'll go 26. Display 25. Cell in 26 by 26. It would be 1 4 8 3. All right, then we have 38 in the other one, so it'd be 39. 39 display, and then you look it up. That's actually perfect. Actually, 1 4 7 1. So those two are like items. 1984. So it'd be 341 forever. Duh. And then so that could be New York or Jay-Z. Jay-Z. And that's GAN. I would suggest GAN. That's it's usually N, or is it 2 A's? I think it's neural network. So anyways, because that's G or AG41. I don't know. I'd stick with this. In okay, a good point is like right here, if you go to 38, which is actually how many numbers we were working with, 3, 8, you hit enter. Alright, so you got 97, 1, 6, 9, 3, 9, 9. Alright, so and we just described that. See, and then this is the acknowledgement of 2 letters. So it's 1, 9, and then we go 6. And then 97 is ASCII, literally for small a. So it's 1 S CI. So we got ASCII. So SIG. No, so this is ACK in S. So I don't know how to do it inside of S other than a crosshatch. Then we got C, other than that. But I don't understand the acknowledgement. So that's a question mark. It's actually ACK, and then they spell it out like that. So they keep those 2 capitalized. Oh, geez. As for radiating energy, okay. Pattern recognition. Pattern rec. Cog. All right. So that all it equates to is a let's just put a TV right there. TV radiates sound, all right, which stimulates the different people in the room. Now this can correlate to any audible sound, but when you find someone syncing up, the easiest way is to test non-audible movement. non-audible. Now, you can tell when you're highly in tune because you'll start feeling things. So then, weather related would be the other, which is not exactly correct, but um, whatever hive mind you're connected to. So, an IV, and then, anyways, our blood, how much metallic is in there, and what type. So, then you got other questions once you go start talking about the meds, the heavy metals. And then, once you understand all this, or understand a version, then you go into the fact that sugar pills or imagined results. So with that, you do an action, and then X, Y, Z happens, whatever that may be. It's like this action will result in that. So then you force your subconscious to look for it. This is the argument, the base argument that gets you the meds. They're like, well, you can't prove that. And I'm like, yes, I can, given enough time and enough resources. So they're like, we're not giving you resources, but we'll give you as much time as you want. You take these pills. So then you got to get the idea that they're sugar pills, even though there's a theory I've got. Basically, any idea over 50% will result in that action. So you take high blood pressure medicine or high cholesterol medicine, then all those reactions that they listed off, or the doctor keeps telling you over and over again, will eventually happen because more than 50% believe. Now, how do you get 50% to believe? You advert. Okay, now here's the problem. You get to, I forgot the R, because never pick up a sexy man who sticks out his sexy leg. Okay, that's a no-go. Okay, that's sexy man. DC never. All right, I don't know as PX as pharmaceuticals, but that's what it is in my mind. That's actually RX. Okay. Anyways, neither here nor there. Advert, and then sex, and then you go parental problems. Okay, now this is as you get older, you have to accept that your parents may not have known. Okay, they do know that they thought a baby would fix the situation, which they either did or didn't. But anyways, they never explain the problem. They always say problem child. You're not the problem. The fact is, you weren't given all the information until much later on when they're on their bed. So, anyways, which looks very much like a garden bed, a raised bed, which is literally what it's called. I don't know. 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 5, 3, 5. Then you go over. You got 8, 9, 7, 9, and then in conjunction with that, if we take this, and then it's 3, 2, 3. Okay, so take those numbers and put them in order. If it's more than one step, we're going to drop it down a level. So I go 0, 3, 3.0 to 1. Okay, that works. 0 to 4 doesn't work, so I drop it down 4. And then we go 1. Okay, we got a new rule set here. It's not one step, but it's identical, so we're just moving it over. We got 5. And then we got 9. So 9 goes down here because that's a new rule set. It's a new level. We added a level. That's why. So technically, if that isn't there, then it's 3, 1, 4. I just put the 3 there because it made sense after I figured it out. New row, new row. We understand. Then we got 2. And it skips. We got 2, 6. Skips 1. So it's got to move 2 to 5. All right. Then we've got, I'm just going 3, 5, 8. Because that's 5 through 5, 8. And then you skip that one and you go 9. Then you go 7, 9. I'll have to do it on clear paper. And then I throw 3 up there. So that brings up a good point. And then if you know phi, which is very close in pi because we made the h right there, phi is 1.61803. Then we go 03, all right, 30819. So if I spin the 9 to be a 6, it'd be, that's literally the phi symbol right there. And then we got the 1 there. 0.1. All right. So we've got 0, 1 new level, 1 new level. And we've got 2, which is new level and a new item. So then we've got 3, 5, 8. And then we're going to do that. Skip a space. I should have done an underscore there. 9. And that's 7, 9, 3. And then we did 5, 1.61803. So that's why I bumped the 3 in there because it made sense. 30816. So imagine that as a mirror. It's rotating. And then we got 1, 3. So what I want to figure out is, sorry, I'll try to keep the shadow out of it. 7 to the 3rd goes 3, 4, 3. Damn it, Cheryl. So that's 3, 4, 3. I'm gonna back it up. Try 17 times. Well, not times. All right. That's DIM. That's what. So dime, with the I being, or the E being pi, because pi is diameter times that's a 3/4 circumference. All right, circumference over diameter, and they're connected right there at that point. I'm getting into drawing aspects. I'm not supposed to show these rules yet. So this is a measurement of 1, whatever that measurement may be. So in an inch, a foot equals 12 inches. Okay, and an inch has 5 marks. it subdivides into that. So there's 10 or something. I don't know. I think it's 5. Anyways, or is it 4? It's 4. And then a clock. A clock has 12 hours. Okay. So, and that's times 2. So it could be 24. All right. But anyways, that has 5 minutes per number, per measurement, because there's 12. So you see, you got 2 different measurements that working off the same system. 12. All right. One has nothing to do with the other, but can be interchanged with the logic. So if you understand how to do something with this, then you can translate and equate to time, which then you'll understand that trust, okay, because that T is, it starts at 0 and either goes up or down. Eventually someone else is going to have to counteract that. Then you get the DNA symbol, D and A. Let's reverse engineer that, A and D. Okay, when the physical matter, that's not even on the thing, matter, all right, I'm not getting into the thought process, but I see, therefore I am, or something like that. So you know what is not you. That even that doesn't even apply to see, there's that thing again. If 75 is K, so it's kick, but that's it's like ick. But or it's, you see, 91 is not ASCII. That's just past your ASCII symbol. So 57 is 9. So 311. Amber. Anyways, my brain's done. I just maxed out. Oh, fuck. Word association for the day is measured. You gotta decide. Me as your ED. Okay? That's all you're measured as your erectile dysfunction or educational information. All right. Because you're gay. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.